this is for any young man who feel like you can't do it because you don't have. Whatever you need to succeed, God has given it to you. Don't let the environment around you dictate your outcome. Always think positive. Surround yourself with positive people. And when people tell you no, if you don't get no from God, then their no doesn't matter, right? Your no has to be a no from God. And then sometimes even when God tells us no, it's not forever. It's delayed, not denied.
If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. If I fold and I sell out, that's sweet. That's why I take my time before I make my mind up. And I do this like 7 days out of the week. And I grind so hard, I don't get much sleep. I had to earn my stripes, so I don't have to work no 9 to 5. Yeah, we be taking everything for granted, no lie. Cause I remember days that we could barely get by. Used to use the negativity to get high, but now the comments we reading can ruin our lives. Why? It used to be easy back on Easy Street. Hollywood ain't that good, it's going down like it's on a needed beat. Even though now it's lobster, all on top of my pasta.
Good morning. Oh, it's real, y'all. It's real. That piece of hair didn't want to act right this morning. Them flexor rods is the truth, though, y'all. It'll get you right. But I didn't leave it. I didn't have it on that long enough. But it did what I needed to do. Good morning. How's everybody doing? I just wanted to come on and congratulate LeBron James. Yes. The most points ever. He surpassed Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, and he was actually there. And it was just, man, I cried because, you know, to know his story, he was recruited from out of high school, single mom, and that's a lesson. That's a testament. That's a testimony for any young man out there. Whether it be you want to be an athlete, doctor, lawyer, whatever you want to do, your dreams are attainable. You just have to work hard. They say LeBron practice all the time. And I tell my son, he's into screenwriting. He's written a couple of scripts. He's had me all the software, all kind of stuff. But I tell him, if God put it in you to do what it is you need to do, then he requires some things of you every day. Try to learn something about your craft every single day. And my son has that discipline that he does. But and I told him, let me retire, and then I'm gonna circle back around and let him pursue his dream wherever that may land, wherever we may land because of it. That's just what it's gonna be. But anyway, yeah, that LeBron, his speech and everything, man. But I tell you, and you know what? I didn't even know it until this morning. What I'm telling y'all is what I want to tell the young men is because, you know, a lot of times we feel defeated. I don't know his whole story. I don't know if his mom was able to send him to them expensive basketball camps and all that, but I do know that he's awesome. He's awesome. And this is for any young man who feel like you can't do it because you don't have. Whatever you need to succeed, God has given it to you. Don't let the environment around you dictate your outcome. Always think positive. Surround yourself with positive people. And when people tell you no, if you don't get no from God, then their no doesn't matter, right? Your no has to be a no from God. And then sometimes even when God tells us no, it's not forever. It's delayed, not denied. So I just wanted to leave that because, you know, a lot of kids, you know, and then too, we have to really be honest with our children. You want them to be a professional ball player, but is it innate in them? Do they necessarily have the skills or if they don't have the skills, are they able to be taught? You understand what I'm saying? Because I do believe most leaders are actually born. But then sometimes you can have people who gives you an opportunity, who pours into you the things you need to succeed, and you can succeed that way as well. I know it may seem like I'm rambling all over the place, but I am a mentor. I am a coach. I have proctored training sessions and all that. So I'm coming from a place of been there and done it. Yeah, but anyway, y'all, I just want to say hi. It's a dreary day here in Louisiana. We're supposed to be having some bad weather later on. I thought the rain was supposed to come later, but it's already raining. So I'm headed to work. I don't know if we're going to even have Bible study. He canceled it last week because of the weather, but the weather's supposed to be bad again today, so I don't know if he's going to cancel today or not. But if he doesn't cancel, I'm going to be there. I just don't like driving at night because my eyes are bad at night, but if it doesn't be pouring down, I'll be okay. Yeah, just a little drizzle ain't going to stop it from going. But if it's pouring down, nah, your girl eyes bad. I just err on the side of caution. That's it. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good day. Oh, it is Wednesday. It's that top of the curve. So, you know, at the bottom of the curve is Monday. So you got to crawl up. And once you get there at the top, all you got to do is come on back down. 2 days and it's the weekend. All right, y'all. Be blessed. Much love. Talk to y'all later. Bye.